Hello everyone, myself Dr. Puspa Singh, mother of Aditi Vasundhara Swaraj, class 3 from Litra Valley School. Here I discussing about online classes. As we know, during the favorable time, offline classes was going on nicely, but suddenly bad period started, COVID-19 pandemic. As we know that during this adverse time of COVID-19 pandemic, when sustaining of even life become very difficult, no one can assume or think about the continuation of education. But by the online classes, academic activity has not only continued but also very helpful to children in giving knowledge and all that. The best thing of online classes is that my daughter can attend classes in house and outside the house, just like in hospital and everywhere. There is no issue to miss the classes or miss the any subjects lessons and anytime. I am very satisfied to online classes, and I am very glad and very proud that my daughter study in Litra Valley School, and I am very thankful to Principal Sir, Preeti Ma'am, Nisa Ma'am, Salini Ma'am, Sudha Ma'am, Anusri Ma'am for the above. Thank you so much.